What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to have more examples regarding multiplying and simplifying square roots. The first example here I have is square root of 14x cubed times square root of 7x cubed. It will be square root of 14 times 7 times square root of x cubed times x cubed. It's gonna be 98 x to the power of 6. So 98 is 49 to x cubed. Square root of 49 is 7, so we have 7 root 2 x cubed. Next example, we have root 16y squared times root 8y to the power of 4. Answer is 16 times 8 y to the power of 2 times y to the power of 4. 16 times 8 is 128, and y to the power of 2 times 1 to the power of 4 is going to be y to the power of 6. And here we are looking for a perfect square for 128, which is a factor of 28. It's going to be 64 times 2. 64 times 2 is going to be 128. And the square root of y to the power of 6 is y cubed. Square root of 64 is 8, so we have 8 root 2 y cubed. Next example. We have next one. Root 2n squared times root 18n cubed. Answer will be 2 times 18, 36, n squared times n cubed, n to the power of 5. So square root of 36 and n to the power of 5, I need to take something even out of it. So it's going to be something like that. Then square root of 36 is 6. Square root of n to the power of 4 is n squared root n. Next example is square root of 3q squared times square root of 48q cubed. Answer is 3 times 48 is 154. Q squared times q cubed is going to be q to the power of 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So then here we have, actually that one is 144, not 154, 144. So we have square root of 144 is 12. And q to the power of 5, I can change it to q to the power of 4 and q. Square root of q to the power of 4 is going to be q squared. And then we have square root of q. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.